Samuel Little, born on June 7, 1940, in Reynolds, Georgia, is an American serial killer who holds the disturbing distinction of being the most prolific documented serial killer in U.S. history. His crimes span several decades and involved the murder of numerous women across the country. In this video, we delve into the life, crimes, and chilling legacy of Samuel Little. Little's early life was marked by a troubled childhood and involvement in criminal activities. He had a history of petty crimes and was in and out of detention centers and prisons for much of his youth and early adulthood. Little's criminal behavior escalated, ultimately leading him down a path of violence and murder. Beginning in the 1970s, Little embarked on a string of murders that continued for years. He targeted vulnerable women, often prostitutes or individuals living on the margins of society, who he believed would not receive much attention or investigation if they went missing. Little used various methods, including strangulation, to kill his victims. It is estimated that Little was involved in the deaths of at least 50 women, though the exact number remains uncertain. Over the years, he traveled extensively across the United States, leaving a trail of victims in numerous states. Despite his prolonged killing spree, Little managed to evade capture for decades. His preference for targeting marginalized victims who often went unidentified played a role in his ability to continue his crimes. However, in 2012, after being arrested on an unrelated charge, DNA evidence tied him to 3 unsolved murder cases in California, leading to his eventual capture and conviction. Towards the end of his life, Little began cooperating with authorities, confessing to numerous additional murders across the country. His ability to provide detailed information on the victims and crime scenes led to the resolution of several cold cases. Little's confessions opened the door to the possibility of closure for families who had long wondered what had happened to their loved ones. Samuel Little's case stands as a chilling reminder of the existence of serial killers and the vulnerabilities within society. His ability to evade capture for such an extended period illustrated flaws in law enforcement procedures, particularly regarding missing persons cases involving marginalized individuals. Little's confessions and the subsequent solving of cold cases shed light on the importance of DNA evidence, victim identification, and collaboration between law enforcement agencies. These developments can help bring justice to the families of victims and prevent future crimes. Samuel Little's reign of terror and his status as America's most prolific serial killer has left a lasting impact on the criminal justice system. His crimes and chilling confessions serve as a reminder of the darkness that can exist within society. The work of law enforcement and forensic experts in unraveling the truth behind Little's murderous spree helps shed light on the importance of solving cold cases and bringing closure to the family of victims.